Hi guys, today we are going to make this yummy beef pickle, which is our traditional Assamese pickle if you want to know. These are made out of actual beef. First take 1.5 kg of beef, 1 tablespoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder plus 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder and 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. And then add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste and then marinate them and mix them all together. After mixing, this should look something like that. Now take a big kadai and then on the stove. And now put our beef mixture inside it. For the first 5 minutes we are going to cook it on low flame so that all the moisture are gone, and then we are going to put it on high flame for the next 10 minutes with the lid on. After 5 minutes, open the lid and stir them well. And then we are going to again put on the lid, and then after a while you can see that it will become watery like this. Don't worry, it's just happening like that automatically. Again put on the lid for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes it should look something like that. And then we are going to stir it until it's dry. We are then going to stir it, and then we are also going to check it like that if it's cooked well. If it's not hard, it means it is cooked well. If it's a bit too much hard, it means it is not cooked well. You guys can see it is now dried. Now turn off the flame and keep it aside. Then take another kadai on the stove and add mustard oil. And then add our dry garam masala. You guys can see whatever we are adding here, you guys can see and also add the same. And now add garlic and chopped ginger. And then you guys should stir it for a while so that all the moistures are out for 1 minute on high flame. And now we're gonna add our dry red chili and 4 full garlic. And now we're going to add our beef one by one in the hot oil. And then we are going to stir it for a while, and we are also going to add our imli paste. And we are going to add 2 tablespoons of imli paste. You guys can add any amount you want. We are adding 2 tablespoons of imli because we like sourness. And again cover and cook it for 5 minutes on low flame. If you guys want to preserve it for 1 year, you guys can add a half cup of vinegar. And now we are going to stir it for 2 minutes on low flame. After stirring for 2 minutes, we are going to then off it. Now add 1 tablespoon of panch phoron and then just give it a mix. You guys can eat it with rice, khichdi or roti. And now it is ready to serve. It is very tasty and delicious. Bye guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.